guys, it's Jen and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a battle of the eyeshadows and I am testing out the Urban Decay and the Milani eyeshadow primer. So the Urban Decay first one, the OG, the promo potion that started basically everybody getting eyeshadow primers and I'm testing it against Milani. The Urban Decay one has been my favorite for a long time. I really struggle with getting that like oily line in my lid and my eyeshadow is like separating right there because I just have a big streak of oil right there. So I'm hoping that the Milani one is going to be just as good and it actually works as well as the Urban Decay. So I'm going to be doing a wear test. I'm going to insert the video where I'm applying my eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and jump into that and let you guys see it. And then I'm going to be doing a check-in later so that we can see how well this has held up throughout the night before I go to bed. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into all that now. So this is what both eyes look like. This side is the Urban Decay, this side is the Milani. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Natural Mattes palette to apply my eyeshadow over these. So I'm going to be using this Heaven shade over top of both of these. I'm going to go in with the shade Cashmere Bunny. Go all up in the crease and above. I guess this is really above the crease. I'm just using the same brush that I used originally. Going back in, doing the same thing on the other side. I go on with the shade Chocolate Cookie. And just apply that all over the lid. I'm not trying to be perfect about this. Okay, I'm just blending out a little bit. Go into shade Neutral right here. Back on the big fluffy brush that I used earlier, and I'm just gonna blend this a little bit more. I'm taking Sex Espresso on the outer corner just to deepen up just a little bit. And I'm going to take this sleek highlighter palette and I'm going to go in with this yellowy toned shade right here and I'm just going to pop this on the inner corner and just kind of pull it in. Kind of try to save this eyeshadow. 20 minutes. Alright guys, so here are my eyes after about 20 minutes of me wearing this. I forgot to do a close-up for you guys while I was actually applying this and after I had done my mascara. So this is what it looks like. And I don't really like the eyeshadow look that I created. I really dislike it, but it is what it is. So I wanted to, you know, test these out, see how well they work. So I am going to update you guys in a few hours close to when I go to bed before I wash all of this off and let you know what I think of, you know, each. If this Milani one is just as good as the Urban Decay or not. I am hoping that it is, considering it is a heck of a lot cheaper. And the only size I have right now of the Urban Decay is the sample size. And I've had it for a good while and lasts me for a long time. So I'm just kind of hoping that this Urban Decay, or not Urban Decay, but the Urban Decay one matches up with the Milani one and it's just as good. So let me know if you guys really like this down below, like the Milani one or the Urban Decay, which one is your favorite, or if you guys have another favorite, let me know down below because I'm definitely willing to check it out. I have oily lids, so I really want a good one that's going to be a little more affordable. So yeah, I'll check back in a few hours and let you guys know how this is going with my face, my eyes. Alright guys, so I am back after I don't even know how many hours, but it is 10:35 at night, and this is what the eyeshadow looks like. I think it looks pretty good. They look pretty even. I don't have an oil line in either one of them. I can say that I do feel like they look pretty much the same. I don't really notice any differences with them. The only thing I can really say is I do feel like the Urban Decay, the color is a little bit bolder than the Milani side. So alright guys, so here's a very intense close-up of my eyes. I feel like both of the eyeshadows look the same on the eyes. I feel like the Urban Decay is just a little bit more deep in color and a little more richer. With that being said, I don't have an oil line in either one. I usually never have that issue with Urban Decay anyway, but the Milani has definitely held up really well, and I haven't really found an eye primer in the drugstore that doesn't give that to me. I mainly stick to higher end eye primers because they tend to be the best and I don't go through them very often. But this I do really think is definitely a good primer for the price. It is definitely awesome. Like I said, the only thing I feel is the color is a little more intense on the Urban Decay side, but for however long I've been wearing this, I think I've been wearing it at least 8 hours, they both look really good still, and I would definitely recommend the Milani one if you want to get something that is a little more price friendly on the cheaper side. So yeah, that is pretty much all I have to say at the end of this video. I really do like the Milani. I definitely could see not getting the Urban Decay and waiting a little while to repurchase it. But would I give up the Urban Decay? No. That's just my personal preference. The Milani is nice. I definitely will use it. But it's just I don't know. The Urban Decay has just been my favorite for so long, and it works the best with my eyelids. I would definitely have to try it again during the summer to see if it works better. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you thought of the eyeshadow. Do you think I'm just completely crazy for wanting to pay $20 for the Urban Decay whenever I run out? Just let me know down below. And until next time, bye guys.